best motorcycle for beginners. Kawasaki ER-6. Choosing your first motorcycle is an exciting and crucial decision on your journey into the world of motorcycling. It's essential to select a bike that not only meets your needs but also helps you develop your riding skills and ensures your safety on the road. The Kawasaki ER-6, also known as the Ninja 650 in some markets, has consistently proven itself as an excellent choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, user-friendly features, and versatility, the ER-6 is often regarded as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. In this article, we'll explore why the Kawasaki ER-6 is an ideal starting point for new riders. A brief introduction. The Kawasaki ER-6 made its debut in 2006 and has since gained immense popularity among both novice and experienced riders. The ER-6 series includes various models, such as the naked ER-6N and the faired ER-6F, known as the Ninja 650, but they all share common attributes that make them a great choice for beginners. Balanced performance. The ER-6 is powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine that produces around 68 to 71 horsepower, depending on the model year. This power output is well suited for beginners because it offers a good balance between performance and manageability. Novice riders can comfortably learn the ropes of motorcycling without feeling overwhelmed by excessive power. The parallel twin design provides smooth and predictable power delivery, which is crucial for new riders who are still refining their throttle control skills. The engine's linear power curve ensures that there are no sudden surges of power that can be intimidating for beginners. The ER-6's power is sufficient for various riding scenarios, from city commuting to weekend leisure rides. As a novice rider, you'll find that the ER-6 allows you to build confidence progressively and develop your skills without fear of excessive power. User-friendly features. Kawasaki has equipped the ER-6 with several features that make it user-friendly and ideal for beginners. Fuel injection. The ER-6 features fuel injection technology, ensuring smooth and efficient engine performance. It's easy to start, even on cold mornings, which can be a concern for new riders. Digital instrument cluster. The motorcycle is equipped with a digital display that provides essential information such as speed, RPM, and other critical data. It's easy to read and keeps you informed while on the road. Comfortable ergonomics. The riding position on the ER-6 is comfortable, with an upright and neutral posture. This minimizes strain on the rider's wrists, back, and legs. Such ergonomic design enhances your comfort, which is vital as you build endurance during longer rides. Smooth transmission. The ER-6 comes with a 6-speed transmission that's precise and smooth. New riders appreciate this because it ensures effortless gear changes. As a beginner, refining your shifting skills will be more comfortable on the ER-6. Agile and versatile. The ER-6 is known for its agility and versatility. Weighing around 450 pounds, 204 kilograms, it's relatively lightweight, making it easy to handle and maneuver. This attribute is particularly valuable for new riders who are still mastering low-speed control, parking, and tight turns. The lightweight design also contributes to a comfortable and responsive ride, allowing you to navigate city traffic with ease and enjoy winding roads without feeling overwhelmed. Versatile riding experience. Kawasaki designed the ER-6 to offer a versatile riding experience. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring your local region, or embarking on leisure rides, the ER-6 accommodates all scenarios. This versatility is valuable for beginners who may not have yet defined their specific riding preferences. You can comfortably handle city traffic, cruise on highways, and savor scenic routes on the ER-6, making it an excellent companion for your motorcycle adventures. Braking and suspension. The ER-6 is equipped with reliable braking and suspension components that provide confident handling. Front and rear disc brakes offer progressive and dependable stopping power. This feature is essential for beginners who may still be developing their braking techniques. The suspension is tuned to deliver a comfortable and stable ride, regardless of road conditions. Customization and community. The ER-6 offers customization options through various accessories and aftermarket parts, allowing you to tailor the motorcycle to your specific preferences as you grow as a rider. Additionally, the ER-6 has a robust community of riders who share their experiences and expertise. This community can be a valuable resource for beginners seeking advice and information about their motorcycles.